When you're living in Hong Kong, it is extremely easy to access high-quality healthcare services and medical treatments for relatively low costs. This is due to the two-tiered healthcare system that offers public services alongside private medical options. Under the public medical system in the city, low-cost medical services are provided to all residents and citizens through government-administered hospitals and clinics. The medical care and treatment options offered at these publicly run facilities are excellent, comparable to leading hospitals in countries like the USA and UK. Hong Kong's private healthcare services and hospitals also offer exceptional healthcare options. However, these institutions are not subsidized by the government and charge market prices for the treatments they offer. In fact, many reports have found that Hong Kong is the second costliest location to receive private medical treatment in the world, right after the USA. The fundamental difference between Hong Kong's private and public healthcare systems is largely the price tag associated with the cost of care. The high price tag associated with private medical services in Hong Kong means that only individuals or groups which are able to afford these services will be able to seek treatments at private facilities. While paying for private medical services out of pocket or by yourself is certainly an option, this can be extremely costly. Given that the average cost associated with the routine birth of a child at somewhere like the Matilda Hospital can quickly reach or exceed 170,000 Hong Kong dollars without any emergencies, paying out of pocket is not going to be a suitable solution for everyone. The best way to access private healthcare in Hong Kong is through a private health insurance policy. Hong Kong health insurance comes in many different forms from a variety of insurance companies, with both international and local Hong Kong insurers offering medical protection to the city's residents. There is a wide range of choice for you to consider if you are purchasing this entirely optional form of coverage. This can be seen through the geographic protection being offered. Plans underwritten by Hong Kong insurers designed to provide coverage only within the borders of Hong Kong HKI are commonly referred to as Hong Kong health insurance plans. This type of policy is generally fairly cheap, at least upon initial purchase. This is due to the fact that the majority of Hong Kong health insurance products have their premiums calculated based on the claims history of the policyholder under the plan. With no claims history to factor in, and the fact that Hong Kong medical insurance plans only provide medical coverage within Hong Kong's borders, these policies are often a very attractive proposition for many people considering a low-cost form of coverage which will enable them to access a private medical system. International health insurance products, in contrast, generally appear vastly more expensive at the initial purchase. However, this is due to the fact that international products offered by international insurers will generally provide global protection on a community-rated basis. This means that all policyholders with the same coverage, of the same age, and with the same coverage area will pay the same premium. The claims experience under international health insurance policy will not factor into an individual policyholder's renewal premium. When looking at optional health insurance purchases in Hong Kong, it is important that you understand exactly what protection is afforded to you under any plan you may be considering. Whether this is the different coverage benefits being provided to you, the mechanism for renewing the policy, or even the premium you may be paying. The many individual components that constitute a health insurance policy should always be working for you. At CCW Global, we are able to assist in finding the best health insurance for your specific needs. Whether you are planning to remain in Hong Kong for the foreseeable future, or if you need a policy that can be continued in a different location, our expert insurance brokers ensure that you only pay for the coverage you require, and that what you've paid for works for you and your loved ones. Ask CCW Global. We're simplifying your insurance.